Hello students, standard 7. We are learning the congruence of triangles. In last session we learned one criteria, that is ASA congruence rule for the congruence of two triangles. And we understand with an example also. And in the try this, I gave you some questions 1, 2 and 3 to do yourself. So let us start with the question number 4 in the try this, in which measurements of some parts of two triangles are given. And we have to check whether the triangles are congruent or not by applying ASA congruence rule. And if in case the triangles are congruent, we have to write symbolically, means using symbols. So let's check the first set. Triangle DEF, in which given that angle D is 60 degree, angle F 80 degree, and DF 5 centimeter. DF is given 5 centimeter. And in triangle ABC, PQR, in triangle PQR, given that angle Q equals 60 degree, angle R is equal to 80 degree, and QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have to check whether by applying ASA congruence rule, are these two triangles congruent or not? So let us draw two figures. Triangle DEF. First we will give name of only one triangle, and according to the given measurements, because we know that there are 6 correspondences. So now angle D is 60 degree, angle F 80 degree, DF 5 centimeter, angle Q is 60 degree. So here D is there and Q is 60 degree. So we can do that one here. And angle R is 80 degree. Here, which angle is 80 degree? F. So with F, we have to take R and 80 degree. And QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Now you can see that here, two angles and included side, two angles and included side are congruent. So now we can write down in triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle D is equal to what? Angle Q is equal to 60 degree. Then angle Q is equal to angle F is equal to angle R. D is equal to Q, then angle F is equal to angle R is equal to 80 degree. And DF is equal to QR. They are the included sides, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, we can say that here by ASA congruence rule. Triangles are congruent. Symbolically, we write triangle DEF congruent to triangle QPR, not PQR but triangle QPR, because with D, Q is related, with F, R is related, and with E, P will be there. And therefore, we can't write down triangle PQR, but we will write down triangle QPR. Let's check the second one. In second, triangle DEF and triangle PQR. What is given in triangle DEF? Angle D is 60. Also angle F is 80 degree. And DF equals to 6 centimeter. While in triangle PQR, angle Q is 60 degree. Angle R is equal to 80 degree. And QP equals 6 centimeter. Now here also we will draw two triangles for our understanding. Triangle DEF. Now angle D is 60 degree and here angle Q is 60 degree. Angle F is 80 degree and here angle R is 80 degree. So here we will do 80 degree. DF is 6 centimeter and QP, so here that is this angle. So here you can see that two angles are there, but this side is not included side. So we cannot say that these triangles are congruent. But we have to write down in triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle D is equal to angle Q, angle F is equal to angle R. But the sides given are not included in both triangles. You can see that here it is included side, but here angles are here, side is another one, and therefore it is not possible. Therefore, triangles are not congruent because we cannot apply, because ASA rule not applicable. Now the third one is there. By doing the same method, by drawing that picture and write down the corresponding sides or angles given and check whether we can apply the ASA rule or not, and write down if it is congruent, write down in the symbolic form, otherwise write down they are not congruent. Now question number 5, in which a figure is given in which ray AZ bisect angle DAB and DCB. means it is splitting it into two equal measures angle. And we have to answer the questions that are given. First question. State the three parts. State the three pairs. Three pairs of equal parts in triangles. In triangles BAC and DAC. Look here. In triangle BAC and triangle DAC, you can see that these angles are equal, means angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, because AZ is bisector. Then also these two angles, angle BCA and angle DCA. Angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. Also here AZ is bisector. And now the third side, we need a side to apply ASA rule. We can see that this side AC is common and it is also between those two angles included side. And we can write down AC is equal to AC, common side. Common side. Now the second question is there. Is triangle, question second, is there it says that is triangle BAC congruent to DAC? Give reasons. Give reason. Now we know that here if we apply ASA congruence rule, because two angles of one triangle and included side are congruent to two angles and included side of the other triangle, and therefore they are congruent. So you can write down yes, triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAC by ASA congruence rule. That is the reason. By ASA congruence rule. Now there is third question also. Is AB is equal to AD? Justify your answer. Now, here we see that when the two triangles, when we already proved congruent, then the remaining pairs are automatically proved that they are congruent, they are of the same size. It means that here AB and AD are the corresponding parts and therefore they are equal. So yes, AB is equal to AD. I told you we can write down CPCT also, or congruent, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. There is fourth question also. What does it say? Is CD is equal to CB? Give reason. So here CB is equal to also CD because they are also same thing, simplicity. Yes, CD is equal to CP by CPCT. If you can write down CPCT in short also not a problem. So by this method you applying A as a congruence rule, and you can see that here two angles and included side are equal to the two angles and included side of the other triangle. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent, and by simplicity means by taking that the congruent parts, other parts are already congruent, so we can write down the answers like this. So here we are going to finish the session, and it will be followed by PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.